Hello everyone, this is my first toy review, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Power Ranger guy, the Cyborg, and this Cyborg. Let's start with this guy. He has a lot of articulation. Legs can turn all the way. You can bend them. Move your foot up. The arms go out. And the head turns all the way. Yeah, and I like his design, especially this thing. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go on with this guy. You can, let's see, you can move the arm all the way, but the head gets in the way. Oh, hold on. Yeah, and you can also move this arm. Waist turns all around, and the head can, move. Yeah, you just have to move the arms a certain way. Yeah, and it's pretty cool. Yeah. Now this one is pretty much the same thing. Waist, arms. Yeah. I think I like this one a little better because it's brighter. Yeah. So that was my first ever video. This is Legend of Dragon Ball Z signing out. Bye.